Welcome viewers to another video of my channel. Today we will get started with the lecture 1 of module Fundamental of Software Engineering. In this lecture, we will learn about the definition of software engineering and software engineering. What are the things we should know to do software engineering? How software engineering and software development differ from each other? What are the tools that is required to get started with the software engineering? Let us start with the fundamentals. A software is a set of instructions that we provide to a computer by writing a program to perform certain tasks. The fundamental example is the switch, which when on, the fan starts, and which when off, the fan stops. Software are of two types, system software and application software. The example of system software is a system operating system such as Linux, Windows, and for application software such as applications Google Chrome, Microsoft 365, games, etc. And engineering is the application of science and mathematics to solve the problem and create a useful thing. Here the fundamental principle has the cycle of designing, development, testing and maintenance. The engineering has so many branches such as software, hardware, electrical, mechanical and civil. Software engineering is a branch which deals with the process of designing, developing, testing and maintaining the software system. It uses a principle from computer sciences, engineering, and project management to deliver a product that meets the given requirement. It aims to produce reliable, efficient, and scalable software. While delivering the software, the complexity and efficiency is also taken into account. Now, what are the topics we should know as a software engineer? Data structure and algorithm is the fundamental requirement. The high-level understanding of operating system, any one public cloud system, and database management system is the must. We should know the fundamentals of design principles and architecture. To develop any application, we should have practical knowledge in any one of the front-end and back-end framework. In order to operate our code, we should know version controlling, CI/CD, and DevOps fundamentals. Let us see how software engineering and software development differs. Software engineering focuses on the full software lifecycle that includes design, develop, test, and maintain. It follows the approach such as Agile, Waterfall, and DevOps to ensure the efficient and systematic development. It emphasizes more on engineering principle and project management. Finally, aims to deliver a product that is reliable, scalable, and maintainable. While on other hand, software development is the subset of software engineering, which mainly focuses on development part, that is writing code, debugging, and implementing it. The main concentration is on programming part and aim to deliver functional piece of code that is efficient and maintainable. In order to get started with the software development, we need some tools such as a system such as laptop or a virtual machine, an operating system that behave as an interface between us and software, pre-installed software such as JVM, Node, Python, etc. depending on the requirements, the code editor such as VS Code or IntelliJ, SQL or NoSQL DB clients, of course the good internet connection, an account in GitHub to take backup of our code and maintain in repositories, free account in public cloud to use their services, package managers such as npm, yarn, pip, Maven depending on the language we are coding, OS managers such as Homebrew, Chocolatey depending on the OS we are using, and a Kanban board to track daily requirement and progress. Thank you for taking this lecture. Let us meet in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on social handles.